You might be doing everything right, eating okay, sleeping decently, even exercising. But there are 5 small daily habits that silently speed up aging. From your skin, to your energy, to your brain. Most people have no idea they're redoing it. In this video, I'll break down the 5 worst aging habits hiding in your daily routine. It's backed by science and what you can do today to stop them. The goal isn't just to live longer, it's to stay sharper, stronger, and healthier as you age. Let's dive in. Habit number 1. Skipping protein at breakfast. You might be having a bagel, a smoothie, or just coffee. But without protein in the morning, you're sending your muscles into breakdown. After a night of fasting, your body needs amino acids to rebuild and protect lean tissue. Muscle loss is one of the biggest aging accelerators, and it starts in your 30s. Solution: add 20 to 30 grams of high-quality protein to your first meal. I use a clean, sugar-free protein powder when I'm on the go, linked in the description. Habit number 2. Not getting direct sunlight in the morning. Your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm, controls hormone function, mood, metabolism, and sleep. When you miss morning light, melatonin production gets delayed, and your sleep quality crashes later. Over time, poor sleep equals faster aging. Brain fog, wrinkles, even hormone decline. Fix it by getting 5 to 10 minutes of real sunlight within an hour of waking. No sun, use a daylight lamp. I've linked one that actually works. Habit number 3. Chronic low-grade dehydration. You might drink coffee, soda, or tea, but real hydration is missing. Even mild dehydration affects skin elasticity, brain performance, joint lubrication, and detox function. And the worst part, you may not even feel thirsty, but the damage is happening under the surface. My fix: I drink a full glass of water with electrolytes first thing every morning. No sugar, just minerals. My favorite mix for life. Trust me, it changes everything. Habit number 4. Sitting. Too much sitting itself. The fact that we sit for 8+ hours straight without moving, this reduces blood flow, oxygen to the brain, tightens the hips and spine, and even shortens telomeres, the DNA markers tied to aging. Solution: movement snacks. Set a timer every 50 minutes and do 2 minutes of light activity. Walk, stretch, bodyweight squats, anything. I use a free app to remind you. You'll feel more alert, energized, and even digest food better. If this is making sense, tap the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Habit number 5. High sugar and healthy snack bars. Even snacks labeled low-fat or organic often contain hidden sugars or seed oils that spike insulin and promote inflammation, 2 major aging triggers. High insulin equals skin aging, energy crashes, fat gain, and more. Inflammation equals brain fog, joint pain, and hormone imbalances. Check labels. Avoid ingredients like corn syrup, agave, or soybean oil. Instead, choose snacks with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. I've linked my favorite clean bar options in the description. Let's recap the 5 habits that age you faster. 1. Skipping protein at breakfast. 2. No sunlight in the morning. 3. Hidden dehydration. 4. Long sitting without breaks. 5. Inflammatory snacks and hidden sugar aging is natural. Accelerated aging is optional. When you fix these small daily habits, your body thanks you with more energy, better skin, stronger focus, and longer health span. Check the description for my personal tools and products that help me stay young from the inside out. If this helped you, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly wellness strategies that are practical, science-based, and actually doable. Thanks for watching, and let's age smarter.